What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Jay Hernandez and we're back with another video. How are you guys doing? I hope everybody's doing good. I hope you guys had a good weekend. We're back to the working week.
Fuck work.
Man, y'all know what it is. And I'm back with another video. I always be dropping on Mondays usually. And if you guys are liking the content, make sure you guys hit that like button for your boy. Make sure you guys subscribe if you're new to the channel. I've been doing this for a little bit now. We're a little over a year and I'm blessed to have the following that we have. I don't use social media, so if you guys want to share this stuff to get me out there, I really would appreciate that. We do little giveaways every now and then for you guys. I like to give back to my people, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that so you guys don't miss out. Hit that notification bell. Today we're going to look at a few sneakers that I picked up last week. Guys, if you guys are interested in the stuff that I'm picking up, hey man, join the family, bro, join the squad. So this first sneaker that I picked up is from the homie GC Heat. I'll put him up right here. He really gave me a solid deal on this. He wanted 200 bucks. He dropped these down to 170. I was going to pay 160. I offered him 160. I told him that's all I could do, but I felt bad at the end of the deal and I just told him, bro, look, I'll give you 170. And I'm glad I was able to pick these up. These are a Dunk, Nike Dunk Low SP special product, Hyper Blue Samba Silver. This is a shoe that I did have on my radar. This is in a size 9.5. He did tell me that he picked these up from Go, or that his buddy did. So there you guys see it doesn't have a suggested retail. That means it came from out of the country. Usually it means it was a European pair. It does have the UK sizing up here, and you guys see the GOAT sticker right there. So I'm pretty happy that I was able to pick these up. Like I said, these were on the radar. This was something that I was wanting to pick up, and well, here they are, size 9.5. I love this carbon fiber type material on the swoosh. It's very nice. And I mean, the shoe in general is very clean. I think he did say that he wore it one time. You could just see a little bit of creasing on it. But for $170 to get this sneaker here, I think it was a steal. The colorway is just super clean. There's been a lot of heat dropping in the Dunk silhouette. And that's not really on some hype beast stuff. There is some really solid colorways out there, but I'm not really picking up everything that's dropping, and that's a Dunk. Whatever comes my way, I will pick it up. I did have to have those Chicago SBs for sure, but I'm just glad I was able to add these to the collection. There's the card right there. Now this other shoe was definitely a steal. It is my birthday this month, and Nike hooked it up with 20% off. Any shoe, it doesn't matter, there's no restrictions. Any sneaker I get 20% off for my birthday, so I decided to use that towards this pair right here. So I guess Nike finally decided to stop using the Nike tape or something, because they sent this pair like this in a box like this, and yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy if they stopped using the Nike tape. I guess they did listen to a lot of you guys that have been asking for them to stop doing that. I kind of like the tape because, you know, now I can't really reuse this box. You guys see the regular Nike box. It came from Nike's website. This is the Nike Air More Uptempo in the black and white colorway. I do tend to go a half size down in my Uptempos. These did retail for $160, probably 170 something plus tax. But I ended up paying $128 for these right here, and I think that was a super steal. I actually was able to buy these before Solinks leaked a link to pick these up, and I'm pretty glad I did. Let's open them up and check them out. I know a lot of people don't like this shoe because they say it's super bulky, but I really do like the more Uptempo silhouette. It's very nice. To me, it fits very comfortable. It's like one of the most comfortable basketball sneakers I've ever worn. And I mean, this shoe is very dope, man. It's got that air on the side, that OG look. You know what I'm saying? Just the one thing that I do like about the Uptempos is that they are always restocking. Like every 3 years they come out with another retro of the Uptempo. I know a few years back, I believe it was maybe 2018 or 17, they were going crazy with the colorways. They had like the tricolors. They also had the Bulls colorway, which I completely regret returning those to Foot Locker. I actually returned those because I wanted to pick something else up. I still remember the guy looking kind of crazy at me, like, really, you want to return these? I think they had some resale value, but at the time I really didn't care. I wasn't trying to make money off of the shoe. I just wanted to pick something else up. And yeah, man, I really regret not having the Bulls colorway. I do have these. I do have the Olympics. The Olympics are by far one of my most favorite colorways in the more Uptempo. You guys know Pippen made these really big, man, and This shoe is just super nice, clean. The materials are nice. The craftsmanship never really fails on the more Uptempos, and for the price, I mean, you're getting a sweet shoe. So if you guys are in the market for something nice, the Air More Uptempos are the way to go. It'd be cool to have the Supremes, but that'd be on some hype beast stuff. Honestly, if I could get the Supremes for a good price, I would. I do also want the reflective all black Uptempos. That would be a dope colorway to add to the collection, even though these will do right here, man. This just gives you that old 90s vibe type feeling. So Nike, please keep retroing these sneakers here, and keep putting them out there so it's a lot easier for us to cop. I appreciate all you guys, man. Let me know if you guys hit on the navy Jordan 1s this weekend. I was able to get a couple pairs for my daughter, so she got a little double up pair. But let me know if you guys were able to hit. I wasn't able to hit on my size, and that's cool, man, because I ain't really digging them that much, and if I really do want them, I will end up picking them up later if I run into a solid deal like the one that I ran into with those dunks. Let me know what you guys think about the dunks as well. Was that a steal? $170 and 128 bucks for these right here, man. I think it was just a super solid steal. And that's it, man. It's your boy Jay. I love you guys. You guys take it easy. Have a good week. Have a safe week. Everybody stay safe, stay masked up, and just take care of yourself. Take care of the people around you. It's your boy Jay Hernandez, and we're out of here, man. You guys catch you on Friday, man.